Features with you need may be an Enhulk tire inflator portable, air compressor, cordless 160 psi car tire pump, 12-volt DC and 20-volt battery supply, high-pressure inflation deflation modes. Ideal for cars, bicycle, sports gear, camp mattresses. If you want to get full highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube descriptions. You enter our here, what will you get? Most importantly, honest reviews from people who have already bought it and review rating. And because we are affiliated with Amazon, which if considered from the reliability, you will get acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews. Of course, all this helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Again, if you want to get full highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube descriptions. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.